Hi, my name is Jamie and I work in sales at iKey. iKey manufactures a full line of pointing devices, keyboards, and displays for a complete rugged peripheral solution. The newest keyboard in iKey's lineup is the SB-101C, which is ideal for use where space is at a premium, especially in industrial and mobile applications. Let's take a closer look at some of the features of the SB-101C.
The SB-101C is less than half an inch in depth, making it ideal for use in small spaces, vehicles, forklifts, and rack drawers. The SB-101C also features a QuickLock key, allowing users to quickly disable the keys and avoid unwanted keystrokes during the cleaning and disinfection process. Featuring red LED backlit keys and a number keypad, the SB-101C is versatile and can be used at nighttime or in low-light environments. A USB interface makes this unit easy to install and is completely plug-and-play with no additional software.
For more information, please visit us at www.ikey.com or feel free to give us a ring at 1-800-866-6506.